Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So as you can see by this title, I'm going to be doing a cleaning routine. So this is going to be a quick little cute montage, so if you want you can clean with me. I find these super motivating and super like satisfying to watch, so that's why I'm filming my one here for you today. So I hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe, and I'll check out at the end of the video. Let's go.
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh,
that was my really quick cleanup routine. I would normally do that like twice a week, sometimes more depending on how messy I am. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that